Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I will be covering two different things. I'll be covering a drip tool that you can use to view your wallet numbers like your balances and your downlines if you are referring members. And at the end of this video, I will cover the two airdrops that I sent to both of my Drip and Furio teams. So if you want to see how much you got or if you qualified, stick around until the end of the video. Now, as we've seen with Drip, the price has gone down a little bit over time, and I think a lot of people, when they first get started with Drip, are not quite sure what it even is. They take a little bit of money, let's say it's 50 bucks, 100 bucks, 500 bucks. 500 bucks is a little bit of money to those that have tens of thousands of dollars, and they put their money into the Drip faucet. Now, this Drip faucet is a smart contract. It means that whatever you put in here, whatever you have listed in your deposits, it is guaranteed to pay you 1% on your deposits up to 365%. So as your deposits balance grows, meaning you're putting more Drip tokens in, or you are compounding your available balance back into your deposits, or you are getting referral rewards, you're sending new users to Drip, this amount will grow, and it will grow up to 365% of this amount. That is why this number right down here is 365% of this number here. Now, all of the rewards, everything that's available here is in the form of the Drip token. When you compound, you're taking your Drip tokens and you're putting them back in your deposits. When you claim, you're taking your available balance and putting it into your claimed amount. Now, one thing to note is when you do compound, a little bit of that money does go into your claimed amount. These two numbers here will grow together. They will get higher and higher and higher together the more that you hydrate or compound. Now, there are some really great tools online that show you your wallet. They kind of tell you when your max payout is going to be and all that good stuff. But the tool that I'm going to be showing you today is one created by Rick Pierce. This URL right here will be listed in the YouTube description. And I really like this site because it gives me a really good overview of all of my different Drip related wallets, and it's free to use. If you do find the tool useful though, please send Rick some Drip or BNB. This has clearly taken a lot of time to develop. I know because I am a developer by profession, and this type of tool did take some time to create. And he's providing it for free. And when I did a quick look to try and do this for myself, it was going to cost like $200 a month to get the numbers that are displayed here to you for free. So if you do find this tool helpful, send Rick some Drip or BNB. So here's how the site works. We've got this area right up here at the top that shows all the different numbers related to Drip. We've got the BNB price, the BREAP token price. This token is used when you are trying to build up your own Drip team. You need some of these in your wallet to receive referral rewards. We've got our pig's price and our dog's price. These are related to the animal farm. And then you have a little table right down here which shows some good information. So how do we actually use this table to our advantage? All we need to do is paste in our wallet addresses into this text area here. So I'm going to come up here to MetaMask, and I will copy a couple of different wallet addresses. I'll do dripped number 2, then I'll hit the return or enter key to go to a new line. Let me go up to another wallet here. I will go to my Drip Team 1 account, copy the wallet address, and then paste it in down below. And then I'll go ahead and paste in my other team wallet address, just like that. Once you've pasted in all of the different addresses on a new line for each of them, go ahead and click Save List right here. So what this site does is it fetches or makes an API call and grabs your information, everything that's on the blockchain. It'll grab it and show it in a nice, easy way to understand. We have a bunch of different columns here. We have address here, so this is all of the different wallet addresses that we pasted in. We have label here that is blank, but if you want to change the labels for these for your own knowledge, it's not going to update it anywhere other than on this website. Just click to toggle the edit field, and then from here you could say, like for me it's Team 1, and this is Team 2, and this is Child 2 or something like that. And when you're done, just toggle this edit button again. You'll have these labels just like this, so you know which one is which. You can see your total available Drip. Here we've got 0.8 that is on my current deposits amount of 42. I've let this build for a couple of days. That's how I like to do it when my balances are a little bit smaller. But once this reaches 100 drip tokens and I'm earning 1 token a day, I will probably hydrate every single day. For this account, we have our team number 1, deposits is 4722, and this is our current available. Same goes with our team number 2, we have 1213 available, and our current available with this is the 1%. It will continue growing until it reaches 1% of this amount. Now the last action hasn't been working for me lately, but it used to show whether or not I claimed or hydrated. We have our net deposits value. This is a number that is a calculation. And if we go back to the DRIP website and click on white paper, we can actually view what calculation goes into figuring out that number. All we need to do is scroll down here to the Compound Like a Boss section, and we have this net deposit value. The calculation is deposits plus airdrops plus rolls or hydrates. Take all of those and add them together and subtract the claims amount. As long as you are not claiming more than this value here, meaning you are in a positive number, your net deposit value will be positive. If it becomes a negative value at any moment, that's fine if you are just a regular player, but if you are building out a team, you will no longer qualify to receive referral rewards. So keep that in mind if you are building a team. You want this column here to be a positive number. Here we have the claimed column, the amount that we've added to our claimed amount. But with the claimed amount here, this doesn't mean that I've taken out 3,139 drip tokens from the site. Every single time you hydrate and you take your available balance and you click the hydrate button down here, a percentage of this gets added to your claimed amount. You can think of it like as your deposits grows, your claimed amount also grows. And the reason for that is because of this max payout right down here. If the claimed amount was only the amount that you actually came down here and clicked claim, everybody would be able to cash out about 25,000 drip tokens more than what they currently can, and that would drain the system a lot faster. So be grateful that every time you come down here and click hydrate, that a little bit of your available balance comes into your claimed amount instead of it only going into your deposits. This just helps the ecosystem, the drip site, continue growing and paying out every single day. Heading back here, we have our rewarded amount. If you are just a user, you're not referring anybody, your rewarded amount will say 0. But if you do build a drip team, you will see the amount of drip tokens that you've received. You'll see your current max payout. This is the 365% of your deposits amount. And here we have team and referral position. So over here with our team, this is the number of people that I have referred directly. These are all the people that have used my buddy ID or my wallet address to join Drip. And this is the total number of people that have been referred by me or someone that I've referred. Same goes down here. I've referred a total of 130 direct members, and total of these 130 members, 41 or so of the 41, some of them referred other members. Now this referral position column is both a blessing and a curse, and it's a blessing when it says 0 on your wallet, but it's a curse when it says something other than 0. If we take a look at coming up here, we have this right here, referral position. This value shows which upline wallet is next to receive referral rewards on the next action via the round robin cycle. 0 means your buddy is next. So when this is at a 0 position, if you are referring members, this means that the next person that joins your team and makes a deposit, you will get the referral rewards associated with that referral. But when it shows a number like 3 or 2 or 1 or 5 or however many people you have in your upline, this means that that person will get the rewards, not you. So let's take a look at this wallet here. This is my main wallet. If we go ahead and click on this link here, we can view all of the different wallets that are in my upline. This is my wallet. This is the person that referred me to Drip. This is the person that referred him to Drip, and so on all the way up the line. This wallet is the developer wallet. So if you are a team leader, this is a side note here, but if you're a team leader and you want to create a new drip account, but you don't want to have to split the referral rewards with all the people in your upline. You only want it to go back and forth between your wallet and the developer wallet. When you are on the Drip website and you're creating your new wallet in order to refer members to that wallet, on your Get a Buddy section down here, instead of pasting in my wallet address or someone else's wallet address, you can come and copy this wallet address here, which is the developer wallet address, and you can paste that wallet address in here. Let me show you what that looks like, and I believe that there is actually a button that says connect or send money to development or something like that. So let me go ahead and I will just swap over and disconnect my current wallet, and I will go and log in with a wallet that I am not using for anything, doesn't have any BNB or anything. But I can come up here, click to connect my wallet, and so you could use this information if you were creating that drip team, you starting from scratch, you want to minimize the number of referral rewards that are split up. You connect your new wallet, and when you come down here, instead of just pasting in someone's address, you click Support Marketing and Development, and when you do that, if we come back to this website, go back to here, you can see right down here, this wallet, this is my other team wallet, has done that. This is the team wallet, this is the developer wallet. And so every other time I am getting referral rewards for sending members because there are less people to split that money with. And I just found this out a couple of months ago when I created that wallet. And if you take a look here from a team development standpoint, I've referred 624 people with this first wallet and 130 people with this other wallet. This is my Team 1 account and this is my Team 2 account. But if you look over here under the rewarded column, I've referred 624 members. And of those members, I've only been rewarded 1,500 drip tokens. Whereas I've referred 130 members and have been rewarded 873. So even though I've referred 4.5 or so times more, that's probably not right, let's say 4 times more, I've only received half as many rewards. So if you don't want to split your rewards, if you don't want to give me any referral bonus when it becomes 0 on my wallet, you can use that developer address. They wouldn't have put it here on the site, right here. They wouldn't have put this button here if you weren't supposed to do that. And in doing that, you actually are going to get more rewards for yourself that you can then use to airdrop to your teammates like I'm doing, or you can keep them for yourself. It's your choice. You need to make amends or whatever. Do whatever you want with that money. But I am sending out the airdrops, and hopefully this team will continue to grow and that the rewards amount will continue to go up so that I can send out more and more drip as the time goes on. But just keep that in mind. This 0 is your friend. These numbers are not your friend. You always want it to say 0 because then you're getting rewards every single time. Sorry for that long rant. I just wanted to point that one out. So this is how this site works. I think it's really easy to understand. And so now that you kind of understand this, there is a link to this website down in the YouTube description for you to check out. It's free to use. And if you do find it valuable, you can send some money to this wallet address right up here. And this will give Rick a little bit of extra cash because he's probably spent a lot of time building this site out. So now the next part of this video is the drip airdrops and the Furio airdrops. So I did send out 2 airdrops today. I've got 2 drip teams and I have 2 Furio teams. The drip teams, if we scroll down on this website, which will be linked in the YouTube description below, you can see that I did send out 2 airdrops today. I manually update this every time I send an airdrop. And the Team 1 received 44 split among 72 members, and team number 2 received 12 drip tokens split amongst 46 members. Now for Furio, unfortunately, Furio has made a very terrible mistake, and they changed how their business model works on November 23rd, 2022. For that reason, I will no longer be promoting Furio for new users to join, but for everybody that has joined my team, I will continue sending out regular airdrops until the money runs out. Now, if you're not quite sure what happened, basically what they did was this. I've got this website open here. It's CoinGecko, and it shows us the current price of the Führer token. If we scroll down here and click on the last 30 days, we can see that the price was fluctuating. It was between $5.50 and $4.50 for quite a while, about a month or so. But then right around here, the Furio developers realized that they were running out of money in their liquidity management system. A lot of people were claiming every single day, and because of that, they decided, just on a whim, that, hey, we are going to remove the money that's in our Fur vault. We're going to add most of that money into our LMS to keep the system afloat. And when they did that, the price of the token dropped to around $1. It's been fluctuating between 90 cents and $1 for the last week or so. Now, this is very frustrating. This is the update on November 23rd. Now, there is a term right here. They said that one of their objectives has been to move the ROI, return on investment system, to an immutable state. This word right here means non-changing. Their goal is to build a system that cannot be changed. So what did they do? They changed their system. What they did was they took the money that was supposed to go to all of us, they took it out, and they put it into their LMS. Now, their LMS is just a big pool of money that's being used to pay out every time someone clicks the claim button. I think you don't want to hear my inner thoughts. I'll just say that. I think it was a very terrible decision, especially after claiming that they want their end goal to be immutability, which is a contradiction. They want their site and their contracts to be non-changing. They won't be able to change it in the future. So what do? They change it. And they F over everybody that has been hydrating for months. So now, if we take a look at this other website, apologize I'm jumping around a lot, but we come to furiostats.netlify.app, and we paste in our wallet address here, you can see that this is my account, this is my main account. I am earning 31.53 Führer tokens every 24 hours. Back on November 22nd or whenever this drop was, right up here, on this day, I was going to be making $140 in that day. This day right here, 23rd, $140. This day, $140. This day, $140. But then when they made their switch, took out all the profits and put it into their LMS so they could continue paying out people, and the price dropped to about $1. When we look at this number here, I'm only earning around $28 a day versus the $140. So they effed over all the people in the Fur vault and they took the money out. And so now we are earning 1/4 the amount that we were earning before. It's pretty ridiculous. It's very frustrating. And for that reason, I, as a team leader, have started to claim more often. I'm going to be claiming more often because I feel like I need to get some profits out of this just like everybody else is doing. But I also want to send out more airdrops. So I think I'm going to start claiming maybe 2 times a week, maybe more, so that I can send out more airdrops. And yes, I know that my reward rate right here will drop, but I think that that's the smartest decision at this point because we don't know the future of Furio. As we've seen them say they don't want to change the contracts in the future, they very well could, and the 31 that I am earning today might be worth 5 cents in the next couple of months. I don't know. It might also go up. Maybe they get more users because the rate that you can join Furio is a lot lower. Maybe they get more users in and the price goes back up. I don't know what's going to happen. But I will say that I am trying to get out a little bit of profit and send more airdrops in the future. So with that said, if we come to Furio Team 828, you can come down all the way to the bottom and you can see that I did send out 2 airdrops today, one with 26 and another with 26. And these 26 went to 17 members, split amongst them, and these 26 were split amongst these 28 members. Now I will probably change this. I'll probably send another airdrop in the next couple of weeks, and I will continue sending out more airdrops. The amount will go down because as I claim more to send more airdrops, this percentage right over here, the reward rate, also goes down, but I will be sending out the 24-hour rewards multiple times in a month to hopefully help everybody get a little bit of money back that they can then claim and cash out or whatever you want to do. But for the future, I will not be promoting Furio to new members, but I will make sure that all of you guys are taken care of as far as future airdrops goes. So that's really all there is to it. Hopefully you found some value in this video, whether it was from the tool that I've listed here or from the airdrop. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate a like. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.